Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where are your parents?
They're not around.
They are not around? Hello? Hello? Good afternoon. Anyone at home? Hello, good afternoon.
Are you the one for the interview?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry that I kept you waiting. I went to see someone briefly.
There is no problem.
Down here.
There's no problem.
Let's go back inside so that we have the interview.
Sir, I'm so sorry to tell you this, sir. I'm no longer interested in this job, sir.
You're no longer interested?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Is it because I wasted your time?
Sir, just thank God for me that I just got a call now that there's a place that I tendered my CV last week. So they called me and it's times 10. Almost 800,000, sir. So
No. Don't worry about that. Don't just worry about that. Okay?
Sir.
Let's just have the interview. You can still go ahead with your job.
Sir, I know.
No,
time waits for nobody. I want you to come but once, sir.
I insist. It's just, I won't take more than 5 minutes.
Sir?
You won't spend more than 5 minutes there. Let's just go inside then. After the interview, you can go and have a job.
Sir, but there is no need for this interview. That's what
I know. Don't worry. Let's just to fulfill all righteousness, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
For formality's sake, sir.
Let's go.
Okay.
Come in.
Sir.
Have a seat, please.
Madam Miracle, good afternoon, ma'am.
Best man, you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Just have a seat.
Okay, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah, best man.
Sir.
My wife told me that you are duly qualified for the job and that you have a lot of experiences, that even in her company that you were the one who drove their manager for a very long time.
Number one, sir.
So one thing about this job is that we need somebody who is not just a qualified driver but also an honest person.
Exactly.
Do you really think you can do this job?
Sir, with all pleasure, sir. I can do this thing. I can do the job very, very well. Okay, I'm the perfect man for this job.
You are very, very sure that we can trust your honesty?
Okay, sir, trust is an understatement. I am more than perfect. Just trust me, okay? You have nothing to worry about, sir.
Okay. There is something I want you to see.
Yeah, very important.
How I was driving.
Come over to this side.
Jesus Christ.
Just like I said before, honesty is what matters in this job, because this is my family we are talking about.
Yes, sir.
When you drive my son, it means that I'm entrusting his life into your hands.
Yes, sir.
You saw him there lying on the floor. You saw the inhaler. You could have done better. But what did you do? You started packing the money. The money was more important to you than his life. Funny enough, it is him that you're supposed to be driving to school and bringing him back every afternoon. And he was even the one who suggested that we test you through this meet. Because my wife here vouched for you.
Best man.
Anyways, I really don't have much to say. Let me have my money.
I don't know you to be this kind of person. Since
Let
when?
me have my money. I could have gotten you arrested, but I just decided to let it slide.
Since when did you start stealing? Best man. And I'm here praising you in front of my husband.
Madam, I'm
Oh
sorry.
God, you could have done better.
I'm sorry. Please. Please, sir.
Thank God for this test.
Get out.
Hey. Sir?
Get out.
Madam, I'm sorry.
Will you get out of my house?
Come on.
Did you hear them? Go!
Sorry.
It's okay, my son. It's okay.
You see,
Baby.
if he didn't suggest that we test him through this way, that means we could just be endangering both our household and our son.
That's true. And you know, Brian is very smart. He's a very smart boy.
Pack up this.
It's okay, my
money
lord.
and-
I'll do that. I'll join you later. Okay, Brian, go inside, okay? Mommy will join you soon. Alright.